In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Instagram app. We'll walk through the process on a Windows computer using the Microsoft Store, which is the safest and most reliable place to get the official app. I'll keep it simple, add helpful context along the way, and make sure everything is clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open the Microsoft Store. This is the built-in app marketplace on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it has a shopping bag icon with the Windows logo on it. If you don't see it on your taskbar, open the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store, then click it to launch. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you have a stable internet connection so the pages and images appear correctly. Using the store ensures you're downloading trusted software that's been vetted for security and compatibility. Next, find the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window and type Instagram. Be precise with the spelling to get the best results. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. You can select Instagram from there or press Enter to view the full results page. If nothing shows up right away, just verify the spelling and wait a second for the results to load. From the results, select the official Instagram app. Look for the familiar multicolor camera icon and confirm it's published by Instagram. This helps you avoid lookalike or third-party listings that might not offer the full experience. Clicking the official result opens its app page, where you can see screenshots, a description, ratings, and any recent updates. Taking a quick glance at these details is a good way to confirm you're getting the right app for your device. Finally, click Install to download the app. The button is right on the app's page, and once you click it, the download will begin automatically. You'll see a progress indicator showing the status as the files are fetched and set up. The time this takes depends on your internet speed, so feel free to let it run for a moment. If the store displays any brief notices during installation, that's normal, and they'll clear once everything is ready. When the progress bar reaches 100%, the installation is complete, and Instagram is now on your PC. That's all there is to it. By using the Microsoft Store, you get the official Instagram app quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you download Instagram with confidence.